So hey guys, I found the best way to install a killer switch on your Evo. So you're gonna wanna take out your back seat first, and then this is the wire that you're gonna need. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna take it out, and I know there's a bunch of wire here. Okay. But this, you're gonna the best way to test it is to take it out this clip from here, and then test it with your test light, or if you have a voltmeter, you can test it with that too. So this blue wire is the wire that is a power wire that run the power to the fuel pumps. So I have tested ready with the test light. And then I have tested with the switch ready too, and it worked. So this is the blue wire, and there's a couple wire in there, but this is the main ones. So if you're planning on installing a killer switch in your car, and it worked pretty well. It will start for a sec, and then it will shut off. So and then if you start again, and it's just cranking. So yeah, this is the power wires, and then there's a thicker wire, another thicker wire too, a blue one, but there's a ground. Black ones, that's a ground. So the blue one is the main one.